Welcome to another Whitman-Battenfeld B8 control tutorial. Today's how-to video is logging into the machine. There are multiple ways to log into the B8 control. There is username login, as well as RFID token login. Let's get started. From anywhere on the B8 control, press the login area located in the top right of the screen at the clock. Then press either log on in green or the name of the user already logged in. Then select your username from the drop-down menu, or enter your username manually by typing into the keyboard. Then press the password field box and enter the correct password for your user. Then press enter, then press log on, and finally press accept. You are now logged into the control with your user and user level. To find out the default username and password for your machine, please consult your user manual or contact support. To log out, press the user level found in the top right of the screen at the clock. Then, at the bottom of the menu that appears, press the red Log Off button. Another way to log in is using the RFID tokens shown in the bottom right of this video. Each machine comes equipped with 2 RFID tokens and 1 RFID keycard. More on the keycard in another video. To log in using the RFID token, you just hold the RFID token up to the RFID icon below the screen as shown. After a second or two, the token is recognized and you are automatically logged in with the appropriate user level, username, and the language is automatically changed to your preferred language. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Whitman-Battenfeld B8 control tutorials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for the most up-to-date content.